Thousands of people have downloaded the Notion app hoping it will help them organize, declutter, and simplify their digital life. But here's the real question. Does it actually reduce stress, boost productivity, and create a healthier work-life balance? In today's video, I'm going to be taking a small review and also I'm going to be doing a tutorial. As you can see, this is the dashboard. I'm going to be doing the tutorial later in the video. But before that, let's have a look at what exactly is Notion. So think of it as an all-in-one digital workspace where you can take notes, manage projects, and store just about anything in one place. Instead of juggling Notes app, a spreadsheet tool, a project manager separately, Notion combines them all in a single customizable platform. You can get blank canvas literally where you can create whatever you need, from simple to-do lists to full-blown collaborative workspaces to complex databases. And also guys, you will get a pre-made templates. Let me just show you that. So Notion has over 30,000 pre-made templates for just about every purpose: planning a vacation, organizing a family reunion, setting a business goals, you name it. Some are free, some cost, a few dollars if you look at it. And they are also fully customizable. Before we jump into the tutorial, I would like to suggest that you all go ahead and download the Notion desktop app for better experience, because I know Notion app is available in your mobile, tablet, but it works best for desktop. So maybe download this into your computer or maybe your laptop for better user experience. I hope you have all signed up to Notion in the desktop. So now let me show you a setting which is it comes in very handy. So over here, if you go to the settings, you can change the appearance if you want. So most people prefer the dark version. So if you want to get into the dark version, you can go with that. But for the sake of the video, I'm going with light so that everyone can see what exactly I'm doing. So in the home section, basically you can find anything from your workspace. So if you want to go ahead and search it, you can change that. But for now, let me just show you how you can add a page, and I have created a new page over here. So let's just say this is my self-improvement page, and I can add an icon if I want. So if I go here, an icon, let's say work. So let's add that icon, and maybe I can do whatever color I want. And also I could be adding a cover photo if I want. And also if I want to change the cover photo, I can go to the gallery in which there are a lot of photos you could be choosing from. And also if I want, I can upload a file. And also if there is a link to any image, I can do that. And also you get a lot of stock footages, maybe this one, if I want it, I can just click on it, or maybe this one, and it's going to automatically go there, as you can see. So based on that, you can change the cover, and also you can reposition to a way that you want. And also you could be adding a comment in case if someone comes to your page, maybe you're adding your team member. I'm going to show you all of that. And you want to tell people what this is about, you can basically tell them maybe it's a 30-day challenge that you're doing. Click on enter, so you can add more comments if you want. And also this is the cool part, this is where you use your AI. And so just put a slash button over here and you will get with all these things. So this is the suggested, and here are some basic blocks, or you could be calling this basic elements. And here you have the text, headings, then you have like bulleted lists, then numbered list, to-do list, toggle list, page, call out, quad, table. So there are a lot of things, and you have Notion AI also, and you have, maybe you want to add media, you could be doing a media. You could either upload a video or embed it using a link if you want. But for now, I'm not going to do this. Let me just delete this. And let me click on slash, and maybe I'll put a heading to maybe let's say my to-do list, and I'll click on enter, and I'll click on slash again. maybe for the sake of the video, I'll just show you the to-do list. And here maybe let's say I click on like meditation, and again like gratitude journaling, gym, MMA classes. So once you have completed a particular to-do list, you can just like click on the tick button over here and just shows like this. So this is also something you could be doing. And yeah, if you want to move around with this, you can like move around if you want. And also you have this plus button over here, in which if you want to add more things, you can be doing that as well. Let's see, if I want to add a new page, I can be doing that as well. So here under my self-improvement, a new page has come. So it's coming under self-improvement. And maybe if I want to add icon again, add cover again, add new comments, anything I can be doing. Maybe in this page, I want to add a video tutorial on meditation. Then I can click enter and press on slash, and then just go down until we see the YouTube embed. Yeah, you see the video section over here, and if you want to embed a link, you can easily do that. You can also upload or anything like that. You could be easily making all of this. See the cover, and again if you want to add a cover photo, that's also very easy. Now let's just go back to our first page, which is the self-improvement page, and you can see the page I have just mentioned. It has came here, tutorial on meditation. So this is very easy to use. Sometimes it can be a little bit challenging for beginners. And also one cool thing you could be doing is that you can see this 3 dots over here. You can click on it, and maybe you want it on full width. I would suggest you guys go with the full width if you are on desktop, or if you're in like your mobile device, this doesn't really apply. And also your small text also, it would be nice if you are in the desktop, you can turn that on. So that's how easy to use. So that's a page you created, and yeah. So now if you want to add like something else, maybe I will click on slash. Maybe I want to go with the bulleted list for now. And here you can see a bulleted list. Maybe I'll type in test, and again I'll keep it test, and again I'll keep it test. So here I'm keeping the heading maybe test 1. And in case if you want to keep this thing over here, you can do that as well. All you have to do is press on the drag button, and you have to go till here, and here you can see a small blue line. If you look at this, it is going to come here, and also it goes with the other things as well. If you want to do that, you can keep it here, and you can probably drag all of this over here. So it's very easy to use, but it can be a little confusing, especially if you are like a beginner. So let me show you this. Yeah. Oh, okay. So again, if that happens, yeah, I just go like this. And so if you want to again create a column, you might like just click here and go with the blue dots again, and you will get it other. Now, if you again want to make something, just go ahead and make slash, and there are a lot of things. I mean, there are text, heading, then heading 2, heading 3, bulleted list. You can go through all of this, and basically it's very easy. Now let's just go to database, and database is very a bit more complicated. You have table view, you have board view, you have gallery view, you have list view, feed view, calendar view, timeline view, vertical bar chart, horizontal bar chart. So these are some things you could be easily doing with. Then for the sake of the video, let's just go with database incline. So as you can see, this is what you're going to be getting with. So let's say it's for a HR, maybe is working, and I'm going to type in workers, or maybe let's go with like employees, and there is the name of the employee. Let's keep it like A, and let's keep it that. Then the new one is B, then the new name is C. And then you could be adding properties if you want. It's like basically elements, maybe let's say you want to categorize these employees with their roll number, you could be going with roll number. But there are a lot of options, maybe email, maybe phone number, maybe the status, maybe it's text, anything you want you could be like doing. And also, for the sake of the video, let me just show you number. And if you like click on this, you can edit the property and all the 42 number, the bar, the ring, you can change all of that if you want. And the roll number section, I could be keeping any number like 77, and here I could keep 88, and here I could probably keep like 86. So anything like that, I could be keeping them. And in case if you want to sort them by name, by number, you could be either ascending or descending if you want. You can be doing all of that. It's very easy. And yeah, you can add more filters if you want. There is advanced filters, and you can be adding. There is also create and view automation. It's a bit complicated. I'm not going to be doing that in this video. And there are settings where you could be doing the layout, the property visibility, then the conditional color, then color link to view. So all of that. So basically it's very easy to use. This is the database section. So this is just like the basic tutorial, and these are the things you could be doing. And also if you want to add more team members, it's very easy. You can click on the share button over here, and over here you could invite people. Like you could just press on this and you could easily invite people, and both of you could work on this particular page or product. So that's basically it for this video of Notion. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I would like to also show you the pricing. So in the free version, it's like you don't have to pay anything, and also it's free for individual usage. Here you get the plus one, which is only $10, and you have the business, which is $20. And also you have the enterprise, in which you have to first contact them. So based on your features, based on your needs and all of that, you can go for it. So yeah, that's basically it for this video of Notion. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm hoping to see you on another review video. Take care.